in Carnatic music named as Ramaswamy Dikshitar in the year 1735 to 1817, and later on it was brought into Hindustani classical music by Ustad Aman Ali Khan of the Bhindi Bazar Gharana. Hansadhwani may be considered to be a Janya Raga of Rag Shankara Bharanam, which is basically a Carnatic Rag. So as you can see, it's basically a Carnatic Rag named as Shankara Bharanam. When it was taken into Hindustani classical music, its name changed, but the entire structure of the rag remained the same. And thus in Hindustani classical music, it got the name of Rag Hansadhwani. There is one bhajan which has been composed on Rag Hansadhwani, and the composer of this Mirabai bhajan, which I would be singing a few lines for you right now, the composer of this song is Hridaynath Mangeshkar. My last rag of this evening is Rag Kafi. Rag Kafi also corresponds to a Carnatic rag called as Gharghar Priya. The Rag Kafi has a direct lineage with the folk music of India, the Tappa, the Thumri, the Kajri, the Dadra, the Bhajan and all that. Rag Kafi is sung in the evening, that is the first phase of night. It has use of all the 7 notes. There was one movie called as Jal, which was released in the year 1952. The music director of this song is our late S.D. Burman ji, and this song was being sung by a legendary singer, Hemant Kumar.